What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be discussing the apt package manager. It is the package manager in most of Debian and Ubuntu based distros. Basically the job of a package manager, in this case apt package manager, is to install software, remove software, and upgrade or configure your system. So first of all, let's start with installing a program with the apt package manager. To do it, type in sudo if you're not logged in as root. Then type apt-get install and the name of the program that you want to install. As in example, I'm going to type in tor. It will then ask you to review the packages that are going to be installed and ask for a confirmation whether or not you want to give the required storage to these packages. You can type in Y for yes and N for no. So that was how to install a program. Now we're going to learn two ways to remove a program. The first one is apt-get remove and then again the name of the package that you want to remove. So this is the first way to remove a program, and what it does is it just removes the program itself while keeping all of its configuration files. This is useful if you want to just temporarily remove a program and reinstall it again. But if you want to completely remove a program along with its configuration files, you're going to be using purge instead of remove. So I just showed you how to install a program and remove a program using the apt package manager. Now we'll see how to update our system using the apt package manager. To do that, first we have to update our sources list by typing sudo apt-get update. Okay, so after you've run that command to update the sources, type in sudo apt-get upgrade to update all the packages on your system that have an update available. Note that it is recommended to run these commands once in a while to make sure all of your packages are up to date. Next we're going to use apt to try and search through the repositories to find a program. How we're going to do it is apt cache policy and then the name of the program. So this basically shows you what version of program you have installed, what version you have available to you to install, and also the mirror that it's coming from. Another useful command that you should run at least couple of times a year is the auto remove command. What this command does is it automatically removes all the packages or dependencies from other programs that are no longer needed. So these were the basic commands to use the apt package manager. If this video was helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Thanks for watching.